With the release of iPadOS 15.4 Beta 1 and macOS 12.3 Beta 1, the long-awaited feature Universal Control has officially arrived. This is the feature that allows you to use your Mac's keyboard and mouse across your iPad and Mac. As you can see, the cursor is on the Mac, and if you go to the side and you push, it will go right through to the iPad, and you can use it just like an iPad with the Magic Keyboard case. As you can see, all the gestures are the same. You can still do everything that you could before, but now you no longer need the Apple Magic Keyboard case. It is enabled by default, but if for some reason it is not working, you can go into your Mac settings, click on displays, display settings, advanced, make sure all three of these options are enabled, and then you can go to your iPad, open settings, go to general, click AirPlay and handoff, and make sure cursor and keyboard is enabled. After that, universal control will be good to go.